Do you want to eat like an Afghan? With the hand?
Sure.
You take a piece of meat, yeah, in your hand. Yeah.
Piece of meat.
Piece of meat. Put it on the rice. You know. Now, close your hands like this. Yeah. And now, grab it like this, look.
Okay.
You know, and now put your, thumb in it. Yeah, you know.
Thumb.
Yeah, thumb. And now eat it.
Alright, here it goes.
Yeah, not exactly like that, but she's gonna improve. Yeah.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel, King of Taste. Today we're making Kabuli Palou. It's an Afghan rice dish with carrots and raisins and lamb meat. It's amazing, it's delicious. So let's get started. So to start, we have the rice. It's basmati rice. It's been soaking in the water for a couple of hours. Then we've got our lamb meat here. Some onions chopped up, about 3 onions. Some carrots cut into matchsticks. The raisins. And then we have here some cardamon, some black cardamon, and some cumin seeds to make our spice mixture. You should cook this food with sesame oil. That's very important. Of course, we have a little coffee grinder for the spices. And then as decoration, we have pistachios and almond slivers. I'm going to start by cooking the meat in the pressure cooker to soften it. You don't have to do this if you don't have a pressure cooker. You can actually cook everything in one pot, but I'm just going to want to expedite the process. So stick the meat in. Gonna throw in a little bit of our onions for the flavor. And cook it with a cup of water. So now we're making the masala. And just going to put everything in the coffee grinder and grind it up. You can use this for other types of pilau as well, so other types of pilaf. So it's been 20 minutes. I think it's ready. Pretty soft. The sesame oil here, it's 250 milliliters. Oops. I'm adding the onions.
You're adding salt?
Yes, a couple of teaspoons. And 2 teaspoons masala. And give it a stir. Add a half a liter of boiling water. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for another 30 minutes. Just gonna let the raisins soak in hot water for a little bit. Add the carrots around. Add the raisins. So I'm just gonna close it and leave it for 10 minutes, let it steam. So, the carrots steamed. I'm going to add some rice now. I'm going to start with maybe a half a liter of water, and you just want the water to be on the same level as the rice. So you can see the water is on the same level as the rice. It's not like covering the rice. I'm going to close it and let it steam for 10 minutes about. Turn the oven on to 150 Celsius. Let it preheat. Alright, so you see the rice has absorbed a lot of the water. Just check it a little bit. Yeah, it looks really good. So, I'm gonna make some holes in the rice. It will help let the steam out and keep the rice from getting soggy. Just gonna sprinkle some more of the masala on the top. I'm gonna wrap the lid in a towel, and that's gonna help the steam not collect and drop back down onto the rice. So I'm gonna stick the whole pot into the oven. Pistachios are going to be sprinkled on the top, and I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. So it's been in there for like 40 minutes. Time to check it. There it is. There's the meat. Oh, it's just like falling apart. Wow.
So another week, another video, and today we made Kabuli Palou. Actually, Emily made it, so let's give it a try and see how it tastes.
Yeah?
Do you want to eat like an Afghan? With the hand?
Sure.
Imagine like it's like 1st century and we don't have a spoon.
Okay.
Let's try it. So, it's like this, Emily. You take a piece of meat, yeah, in your hand, yeah.
Piece of meat.
Piece of meat. Put it on the rice, you know. Now, close your hands like this, yeah, like this. And now, grab it like this, look.
Okay.
You know, and now put your thumb in it. Yeah, you know.
Thumb.
Yeah, thumb, and now eat it.
All right, here it goes.
Yeah, not exactly like that, but she's gonna improve. Yeah.
So you get the piece of meat.
Yeah.
You grab your rice.
Yeah.
Put your thumb behind it.
Yeah.
And push it into your mouth.
Exactly. Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
You're a good student.
Mm.
Look. Mmm.
That's how you eat in Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Except on the floor.
This one, you might ask yourself what it is. You want to explain it?
No. It's a special Persian drink. It's like yogurt seltzer.
Look at this meat, look. Great.
Really cooked good though.
Yeah.
It's like not dried out at all and just falling apart.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Yeah. So you can also add...
My mom would be proud.
Yeah. Let's add some torshi.
Some salad. I don't know, pickled vegetables.
Yeah, pickled vegetables. Mmm. Great.
I don't think I've eaten with my hands since I was a little kid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, now you're eating with your hand.
Mm-hmm.
How does it feel? Natural?
Like a caveman.
You grabbed the meat, did you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I've got it. I'm all ready.
Okay, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Now you push it into your mouth.
Okay.
Exactly. I like how it tastes.
Your hand or the food?
Both. Adding some little tree. Well, Ahmad's called them tree. So again, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you enjoy the video, and the description is down below.
The recipe is in the description.
The recipe is in the description down below. So feel free to check it out if you want to cook this one at home. And yeah, do you want to say something?
Just like and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell if you want to see more videos like this.
As a support to our channel. So see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.